No followers? No experience? No idea where to start? Perfect. This might be the easiest way to start making money online, even if you're starting from absolute zero. Most people think you need an audience to do affiliate marketing. You don't. With the right system, traffic is built into the process. You don't need YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok followers to start. You simply plug into a proven funnel that already converts and get free coaching on how to share it the smart way. Can you really earn online with no skills? Yes, if you stop trying to figure it all out yourself. This beginner-friendly system does 98% of the work for you. The funnels, the follow-up emails, even the product. It's all done. You just follow simple steps and get support from real coaches along the way. Yes, and they're often the most successful. Why? Because they don't have bad habits to unlearn. They follow the system exactly, and that's why it works. This isn't about becoming a marketing guru. It's about plugging into a system that already works and getting help when you need it. Forget courses. Forget coding. Forget complicated tech stacks. The easiest way to start is to launch with a ready-made system that does the heavy lifting for you. This one gives you a plug-and-play funnel, coaching calls for support, no ads, no paid tools, no design work, step-by-step checklist to launch fast. Thousands of people are earning their first commissions without prior skills, without followers, and without spending on ads. They just took the first step. Now it's your turn. This is not another info course. This is a real shortcut to your first online earnings, with coaching and a proven path built in. Click the link below to get started.